Hello? Whoa, whoa. Hello? Oh, is it like a... It's an elevator. Oh, wow! Mouse! Oh, yes.
Doesn't seem.
Oh. Doesn't work now. Maybe we'll later. I can't type fast. Was that a mouse? You're mine. Ha. I can... Mouse!
You're gonna need to use the elevator, so I'd better give you the activation code.
We got an elevator! Ah! Elevator, elevator, elevator. 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 Is open yet? Where's the elevator again? I've forgotten. Why am I here?
Just to suffer.
Where would an eagle egg be? If I were an eagle, where would I lay my eggs? If I were an eagle. And if I were to lay my eggs somewhere. I gotta think like an eagle. Where would I? Fuck. No, not in the abyss. Eagle egg! Ah!
This must. What?
Hobula asked me to organize her bookshelves, but it's kind of a big job. Here, this book goes in the second shelf from the left on the east side of the second floor.
Ah! This book goes in the second shelf from the left on the east side of the second floor. Where are we looking at? Listen. Don't their tails regrow? Maybe you only need one lizard. That's so true. I just capture one lizard and I keep cutting its steel and it'll keep regrowing. Here. What is that? What's that? Wait, come back. What was that? Ah! That was a lizard, no? That looked like a lizard, no? That was a lizard! That was a lizard! I swear to God, that was a lizard. What was that? What's that?